Just ran the wire. The 6/0, no, 6/3 is what it is. I keep saying 6/0, but it's 6 gauge 3, so it has 4 strands. 2 hots, a neutral, and a ground. Anyways, I'm gonna put the box in. Need to drill into the concrete. I need to drill into the concrete, that way I can secure it to the wall. A couple of concrete screws, that should be more than sufficient. Let me see if I can't find my concrete bits. I couldn't find my nut driver for it, so we're going to do this old-fashioned way with a ratchet. You do it on hammer drill, you back it out every once in a while. That's what I was doing when I was drilling. That way it will clear out all the dust and keep cutting into it.
I hope I drill it deep enough. I might be able to drill on this.
Hot, hot, neutral, ground. Hot, hot, neutral, ground's your green screw, always your green. All right. Kind of same thing? Well, not kind of, the same thing. Light, 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 heavy. Okay. Black and red, you're hot. Don't matter which side. White's neutral. Bear's ground. Copper's ground. Well, all the wires are copper. Okay, these will not strip those, so let's see here. Take These are only rated for a 10 gauge wire. I'm using the actual cutter. Just barely putting any pressure and just twisting around. All right, ground screw. I wonder if I have any more in my jacket. Okay, I'm not saying this is the best way of doing it, but I want a little extra wire in there just in case something happens later. Pinched myself while I go. Come on, there she goes. I doubt I'm going to be able to have extra wire in there. It's just too stiff. We're going to try it. Oh, I should have made a pigtail. Didn't even think about it. Okay, got it started. How do I always lock them when I close them? Keep from me having to put a pigtail on it. I'm so sorry for the lighting. Those are stranded wires. Those are stranded wires. I'll give them a few days. I'll come back and retighten them. Might have to, yeah. Might have to trim a little bit off because there's this wire sticking past. There's the plastic, and then you can see a little bit of wire sticking past it. I hope you can get that in the camera. I'm gonna have to trim that just a little bit and then put it back in there. But that's the stove. Still got to hook everything up back at the breaker box. They don't have no breakers for that breaker box. They're out.